Welcome to another session of Tom's Nuggets for the Full Fee Agent. Short, sharp, and actionable ideas to help you get your full fee, keep your sanity, and enjoy the business you've built. Today's nugget, session 3 of anchoring without bragging. Let's get into it, shall we? So, in our last session, we talked about the moment of truth, right? The turning point when clients decide if you're their agent. Once you reach that moment, you have an opportunity. It's the perfect time to anchor your value so they see you as an investment, not an expense. But here's the catch. If you come across as bragging, you'll trigger skepticism and they'll start to pull back. So today, I'm going to show you how to anchor your value without ever sounding like you're selling yourself. Clients don't want to hear how great you think you are. They want to hear how working with you benefits them. And here's the truth. The fastest way to turn someone off is to make your value all about you. The full fee agent principle here is this. Don't state your value as facts about yourself. Frame your value as the outcome you deliver for them. Most agents lead with tasks. I'll set you up on a search. I'll send you comps. I'll schedule showings. That's all fine. But every agent says that. A full fee agent leads without outcomes. I'll set up a real-time search so you see homes before most buyers even know they're there, giving you a competitive edge. I'll send you comps that not only show price, but reveal where we have negotiation leverage. I'll schedule showings strategically so we're only walking into properties that are true contenders, not time wasters. See the difference? One says what you do, the other says why it matters. You know, a Summerlin seller was interviewing 3 agents. All 3 promised professional photography, marketing blasts, and open houses, but one agent said this: my marketing plan isn't about pretty pictures. It's about creating enough buzz that buyers feel like they're competing for something rare. That urgency drives offers up and shortens your time on market. My last 3 listings sold in under 10 days with multiple offers, and that's what I want to do for you. Guess who got the listing? And at full fee, right? So anchoring without bragging is about speaking their language. Instead of, I've been doing this for 20 years, right? A lot of people say that. You can say, for 20 years, I've been refining a process that protects clients from overpaying and keeps their deals from falling apart. The first is about you. The second is about them. When you're ready to anchor your value, follow this formula. Connect, bridge, and outcome. Connect, start with something like they've said or felt. You mentioned you don't want to waste time. Bridge, explain how you address that concern. That's exactly why I fill in the blank. An outcome, tie it in the win they'll get. So you're only seeing homes that are true fits, which save time and keeps you ahead of other buyers. In Las Vegas, where buyers are bombarded with online listings and sellers are pitched by multiple agents weekly, you have to stand out without sounding like you're selling harder than the next person. Anchoring through outcomes instead of ego is how you become the obvious choice. When you anchor your value through their lens, you're no longer selling yourself. You're showing them how you solve their problem and help them win. On our next session, session 4, we're going to talk about why this matters even more in a transient, high-choice market like Las Vegas, and how failing to anchor early here can cost you the client before you've even started. Talk to you then.